History of Howrah Bridge. The Howrah Bridge, an iconic engineering marvel, is a cantilever bridge spanning the Hooghly River in West Bengal, India. It connects the bustling city of Kolkata, formerly Calcutta, with Howrah, serving as a vital transportation link. Known officially as Rabindra Setu since 1965, the bridge is a symbol of Kolkata's heritage and technological advancement. Early plans and conception. The idea of a bridge over the Hooghly River was first proposed in 1862 by Sir Bradford, a British engineer. The increasing traffic between Howrah and Kolkata, primarily through ferries, necessitated a more permanent and efficient solution. However, due to financial and technical constraints, the project did not materialize immediately. In 1871, the Howrah Bridge Act was passed, and the first bridge was constructed in 1874, but it was a pontoon bridge, which meant it relied on floating sections and was not stable enough for heavy traffic. By the early 20th century, the British colonial government commissioned the construction of a new bridge in 1935. The contract was awarded to the Braithwaite Burn and Jessop Construction Company, a renowned Indian engineering firm. The design was overseen by Rendell, Palmer Tritton, a British firm, and the final structure was based on the cantilever principle, eliminating the need for supporting pillars in the river. The steel for the bridge, approximately 26,500 tons, was supplied by Tata Steel, a significant achievement for India. The bridge was built using the riveting technique, avoiding the use of nuts and bolts, making it more durable. Construction faced multiple challenges, including World War II, which led to material shortages and labor issues. Despite these difficulties, the bridge was completed in 1942, and it was opened to the public on February 3, 1943. Remarkably, it was built without a single nut or bolt, relying entirely on riveted joints, after India gained independence in 1947. The bridge remained a crucial link between Howrah and Kolkata. In 1965, it was officially renamed Rabindra Setu in honor of the Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore, but it continues to be widely known as Howrah Bridge. Over the years, the bridge has undergone maintenance to counteract the effects of pollution, corrosion, and heavy traffic. It remains one of the busiest bridges in the world, carrying around 100 vehicles and 150 pedestrians daily. Howrah Bridge is more than just a structure. It is a cultural symbol of Kolkata. It has been featured in numerous films, literature, and art, often representing the city's identity. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in trade and commerce, connecting the industrial zones of Howrah with the commercial hubs of Kolkata. Conclusion: the Howrah Bridge stands as a testament to engineering excellence and resilience. Over 8 decades old, it continues to serve millions of people, witnessing the city's transformations while remaining one of its most enduring landmarks.